Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn IT with Venkat. Today's video I am going to show you the demo of how to do face comparison using face recognition package on Raspberry Pi. Let's see. I have connected my Raspberry Pi through Cisco PL app launcher. Here my Pi connected with the IP address 192.168.137.68. Click connect. It will open it in the browser. So here password to access my Raspberry Pi. So this is the home page. I'm opening the terminal here, and here this is my folder where I have my programs and images. So first we have to install the package. So go to the terminal. So this is the face recognition package. So we have to run this command, copy it, paste it here and execute it. I already installed this package, so here you can see all my requirements already satisfied. If you are doing it for the first time, just run this command, then everything will get installed. Control L. So going into my folder, CD, my project, face identification. So this is my folder. Here you can see the files here. Now we are going to see this face comparison program. So when I open it, so this is the very simple program which we can use it for comparing the two images for face recognition. So first we have to import the package face recognition, and here I am printing load image 1. So here this is the variable picture of me. You can give any variable name. Picture of me equal to face recognition is the package dot the method load image file. So this will load the image from the path. So right now I am going to load the image from my working directory. So the file name is enough here. If you want to choose it from different directory, you have to give the full path here, and then I have to encode this image. So I am creating another variable, my face encoding is equal to face recognition package dot face encodings of is a method. So inside that you have to pass that image which is loaded in this variable, and here I am creating a list. And second, I have to load the second image. So print loading second image, and another variable, assume this is unknown picture. So here I am loading it, same method, face recognition dot load image file of my image dot jpeg. These two files in the same folder here. You can see this is my image, and this is Venkat. So I am going to compare these two images of mine, and that has been loaded and encoded here. And now print image 1 and 2 comparison is going to begin, and results is the variable which is going to hold the result of these two image comparison. For that, face recognition dot compare underscore faces of is the method. So inside that I am going to pass two arguments. The first argument is the image 1 encoding variable name. Second argument is going to be the second image encoding variable name, unknown face encoding. So these two variables I am going to pass it in the function compare underscore faces of. So this is going to give the result true or false. If both faces are same, then it will give you the value true. If both faces are not same, it is going to have a value false. So I am printing result is, after that I am checking the condition. If result of 0th index is going to be a true, means it is a picture of me, else it is not a picture of me. We will execute now. So going to the terminal, Python space face comparison is the program, and click enter. Loading image 1, then loading image 2, and image 1 and 2 comparison begins, and the result is it's a picture of me, because these two are my pictures. Now I am going to compare two different pictures. So here I am having another picture which is Obama picture. So here I am changing the second image as Obama. Control S, save it and go back to the terminal. Execute the program again. Loading image 1, which is my picture. This is my picture. And loading image 2. Image 2 is the Obama's picture. And now the comparison is going to begin. And the result is it's not a picture of me. So the comparison is not successful. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for getting more video updates. Bye bye. Thank you.